Hello guys, and I am Yuvika Priyadarshini. In this video I am going to tell you about the computational thinking. Okay, first of all, what is computational thinking? I am going to tell you about that what is computational thinking with the example and what's the component of the computational thinking with an example. Okay, let us start that what is computational thinking. Computational thinking is problem solving method. Okay, it involves solving problems by following the concept necessary for computer science, which includes logical reasoning, designing a step by step solution, and designing system. Okay, now let us see with then the component of computational thinking. First is the analysis. To understand the problem, analysis is the process of understanding the problem and condition and designing the goals. Okay, now the second is decomposition. Decomposition is the process of breaking down the large problem into a smaller part which are easier to understand. Okay, now next is the pattern recognition, looking similarities. Okay, now it will look the similarities. Now the pattern recognition, observing pattern, trend and similarities in the data. When you discover patterns, it becomes too easier to make prediction and create rule to solve other problems. Now the next is the abstraction. It is the process of filtering out details or component if the pattern to focus on the relevant one. The smaller part can be examined closely by the solved individually. Okay, now the algorithm. In this, what we will do to develop a list of step by step to solving the problem. What we'll do, it is the process of developing a list of steps that we can follow to finish the task. Okay, let us just see with the example. Okay, one by one we will discuss with an example. Okay, we will discuss the component of the computational thinking with an example. What is in the analysis, what the Aryan find the environment is polluted due to cutting off the tree in large scale, so he want to plant 2000 tree. What he planned to plant a 2000 tree. And what's the problem? That pollution is the problem. What he find that after cutting the tree, the environment should be the polluted. That's the problem will be the pollution. And the goal, what's the goal? To plant 2000 tree. Then the next, in the decomposition, what's that? In the decomposition, what we'll see, first is the find donor. It's not easy task to plant a 2000 tree. So first of all, what we will do for that, after analysis, what we will do in the decomposition, we will find donor. Okay, what we'll find? That donor. Okay, find donor for contributing to the expenses. Okay, now the next should be the collecting seed for various sources. For that, organizing, next with the organizing soil, compost and arrange water resources in the large scale. Okay, then next will be the convincing colony peoples to plant tree in a large scale. So for that we should have to convince the people also. Okay, now the next will be the pattern recognition. Okay, in this pattern recognition, what that problem, we will find the similarities between that previous problem and with the current problem. Okay, first of all we will go and search from that internet, and we will discuss with that expert. Aryan should have to discuss with this expert also, which previously they have faced this problem, they have done this problem. And then what's that, they will search from the internet what's the step he should have to follow. Then through that figure, just see from that figure previous and current, we will fetch the similar points, and we will put that similarity, and we will point out that similarity, that point we will write it down. Okay, we will point it out, the similarities. Just see with that figure. Now the next, what's that, from that similarity, similar information, whatever from he find it out after searching from that previous and current information, they will find some data, similar data. And what's that, abstract, and they filter it from that information, the data, they will filter it from that information. New with the above information, he will find relevant information with the help of him to solve with the algorithm. After doing this step by step, what they will do, then after abstraction, what they will do, after getting the information, after filtering the information, then they will make it out, and they will make a pictorial representation to solve this problem. They will make the list step by step, what they will do step by step to solve this problem. Okay, this much is the overall view on that computational thinking. Okay, this much. Okay, thank you.